Hi, welcome to Kramer booth ISE 2016. My name is Shira Zeifer, and I'd like to introduce to you the Kramer Network. What we have here is an enterprise management platform. We have everything from your streaming AV, your control, and your management from one simple client base. You can have here a quick view over our two virtual matrices. We have the video matrix and the audio matrix. Everything here is scalable. The matrix could be for 10 devices, 20 devices, or more than 100. Everything here is divided into logical groups according to your inputs and your outputs. Your outputs are divided into the logic of physically where each thing is located. Different buildings, different floors, different rooms, for example. The way the matrix works is just a very simple click and connect. So you can see all I have to do is just click where I want my source to be shown, and instantly I get feedback what's happening. Green indicating everything's connected. Yellow, I saw the head a delay for a moment, so it turned yellow and back to green. And red indicating that I have a disconnection. So this matrix works the same way for both video and audio sources. I can also create scenarios, so if I wanted to change, let's say 10 devices at once or 100 devices at once, I can just preset it once, save it, name it, and then also I could share it with my employees. So we could all be using the same language, using the same scenarios all the time. So that was a short overview of the way we have our virtual matrices. Again, everything is scanned automatically on our network and organized into logical groups. Let's take a look at the room view. We were talking about before having different rooms. Here we see what we allocated. We allocated 4 TVs and 3 speakers to this room. All of the scenarios that we presetted before or that my admin preset and allocated to me are available on the right hand side, and just with one simple press I can put all of the audio into 3 speakers, for example, mute them all. Of course, this could be on a much larger scale, having the whole building hear one message, or seeing all of the screens in a control room, seeing one security camera or a different set of them. So, again, we were talking about all of our streaming, but we have more elements in our room. We have all of our legacy AV devices. The Kramer network also answers that. We have a very simple scan function. You can scan your whole network and find all of your AV devices. But that's not all. You can also control them all. Just by double-clicking on your device, you can open its website. And then you have full control over your device. For instance, here we see we have a VP773 matrix. The website was opened, again, just by double-clicking. And I can change inputs, outputs. I can change the way the picture-in-picture is displayed, or any other function that my device knows how to do. So let's go back to the room view. We're talking about a physical space. So we also have we have the streaming, we have the video and audio streaming, we have the AV devices, but we also want control. We'd like to turn on the lights, turn on the TVs, dim the lights, turn down the shades. Any function with any third-party device we know how to incorporate into the Kramer network. Simply creating a control panel and activating it here from Control This Room. This is a very simple example of how we can control the VP773. Just by clicking full screen or picture-in-picture, we see automatically we controlled our device. This could be the same thing with any lighting system, with any TV, projector, etc. I'd like to take a moment also to explain about our permission levels. We have 3 permission levels for the Kramer network. We have the super admin, the admin, and the user. So you can allocate different access rights for each one of the users. This is a secure solution with user ID and password, and again, different access levels. One last point I'd like to point out for you is, excuse me, is the management aspect. We have a dashboard where you can get all the time exactly know what's happening in your system. You can get alerts, for example, what the lamp hour is in your projector. Everything from your streaming to your control material management in one simple interface. If you'd like to hear any more information and learn more, I'd be happy for you to go to our website at kramerav.com. Thank you.